Spain celebrates the 18th anniversary of the termination of the Spanish Revolution and victory over communism. The nation's military might, much of it of American manufacture, acquired in return for bases, is on display for the occasion. Senora Franco and her daughter are among the distinguished guests, as is the Generalissimo himself. One of the colorful contingents is made up of the Moorish Guards. As a crack unit of paratroopers passes in review, the caudillo looks on with pride. 18 years of peace and rebuilding. You've heard of the big story. Well, here's the little story. The first convention of the Midgets of America. Fittingly enough, in Reno, which bills itself as the biggest little city in the world. And there's nothing small time about the reception they give the little people or about the organization itself, which is now campaigning for half fare on trains and airlines for midgets. Other big problems for little people include half-size adult clothing and getting properly sized furniture, especially tables. But the little people of America are going for high stakes now that they're organized. They've got what it takes to climb to their goal.